in Redmond, Oregon. And we want to be the first to wish you a happy
March.
Woohoo!
It's March, right?
March. What does March mean to you?
Oh, rain a little bit.
Yeah. Daffodils.
It's
spring.
nice. March is not my favorite month, but it's getting towards summer, so that's always a good thing.
It's a gateway.
It's a gateway.
It is like...
And it's Jim's birthday month. So.
Oh, it is, isn't it?
So the chemist is another year older.
And you're smarter, right?
Yes.
So the older you get, the smarter you get.
Yes.
That's the way we need to look at that.
And we have a really good sale for March and April.
Absolutely. P+.
All
P+. Colors, glitters, base, top. And what is P+, Lexi? Let's explain it for those who may not know how that happens. I have no idea, but...
P+ is our soak-off gel polish.
Yes.
Like she said, we have it in the colors, and we have it in our fantastic glitters.
It's exciting, and it soaks off an acetone, but it's compatible over the top of your acrylics. It's compatible with a hard gel.
I actually prefer putting over it like a manicure or a one-step because it really helps it adhere and stay on really well.
But it's versatile for those of you who love a soak-off line, which is awesome. That's why we have it. You want to soak off the whole system, you can get all of it 30% off. Base, colors, glitters, and top. Or for those of you
Did you say 30% off?
I said 30.
30% off, you guys. All P+.
That is awesome. You can stock up for 2 months here, but starting right now. Another thing that it's good for, some people just like the application of a polish bottle. So if you don't really want to soak it off and you're filing off your acrylics or your gels anyway, but you like the application of a polish bottle, it's great for that.
Yes.
So like I said, it can go over the hard gels or the acrylics, or you can use it as a soak-off system. But we have beautiful colors, all of our colors.
No one
glitters.
beats us in colors, as you guys
No
know.
one. And I wish we could send a daffodil with each order. Wouldn't that be special?
It would come squished and like brown.
It'd be probably dead for those of you who like it a long ways, but it's my favorite color is daffodil yellow.
But if you guys like our P+, it's on sale, and if you haven't tried it, this is a good time to get some because it's on sale. So it's a win-win. What else do we got going on?
Well, we always have a couple things, right? So the next is our manicure gel. For those of you who have not tried manicure gel, it is our most flexible gel. It is in our hard gel line.
Flexible like me.
Lexi, get up here and do the splits.
Yeah.
It ain't gonna happen. No, you would be fiber gel because it's our.
I'd be the stiff
one. Yeah, our family genes did not get the flexibility.
No, I'm very envious of manicure gel.
Maybe if you drank a little. No, don't do that. Anyway, manicure gel. We have it in the 30 ml and the 50 ml. $5 off the 30 ml. $10 off the 50 ml.
Yes.
That is a fabulous deal. So it's a kind of a thin to medium viscosity. It's great. A lot of people love it for a base gel, especially if you have a client coming in, they have a natural nail, and they need a little help, a little strength with their nail.
Yep.
Manicure is perfect.
You put a little slip layer down.
Oh, you can just do it one little layer, and that's fine. But what its greatest, probably, I would say one of the best things about it is on that natural nail, if you have a bendy nail, you need a product that will bend with that natural nail. And manicure does that. It has flexibility.
It's fantastic.
It is wonderful.
And you can put P+ right on top of manicure, so it's kind of like you can get both, and they're on
Think
sale.
about that. Oh my gosh, how much money would you save? I mean, your base coat is your manicure gel, and then your P+. Wow, that's a great savings. So, flexibility, great base gel, great fill gel, nice, like I said, nice and flexible, unlike Lexi and I, that's okay. And our wonderful soak-off line, which is a P+.
Once again, 30% off. Woo. Mind blown.
Yes. So, anyway, I guess it's kind of that gateway into spring, a happy, happy, wonderful time.
Yep. And yeah, so get your stuff now, and we'll just talk to you guys next time.
Yeah, give us a call or an email. We always love hearing from you guys.
Bye.
Happy spring!
Jinx.